Presenting the 2006 Honda Pilot. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: intermittent wipers, driver vanity mirror, climate control, passenger adjustable lumbar, steering wheel audio controls, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, and rear AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.